What's up guys, welcome back to another episode here in Kathmandu, Nepal. In this episode guys, we're going to be going to a local place where they're going to teach us how to cook the local Nepalese cuisine, as well as going sourcing our own fresh ingredients in the market. So really looking forward to doing that and learning a little bit more about the Nepalese culture, and no better way than actually diving deep and understanding how they cook. So let's get going. Alright guys, so we've just made it to the local cooking class, and we've got Ian, Brian and Elsa. Yeah, and of course we've got Dace. So these guys are from Ireland, and we've got the brother here from London as well. So now the guys are just in here and they are preparing our list of what we're going to buy when we head over to the markets, right?
Yeah.
And it's a local market we're going to. So Neelam, what's the plan in the market? What are we going to get there?
So we are going to buying some vegetables.
Yeah.
And then we'll visit the spices shop.
Alright guys, so we've just made it over to the vegetable store where Neelam is just showing us all the fresh ingredients that she's going to be picking up just here. But what she's doing first is explaining to us what each and every single bit of vegetable is that she's sourcing for us. It's a bit of a test actually, because some of the stuff we actually don't know, so we should know, but it just looks different here in Nepal. Now they had a cucumber that looked like the size of literally my arm. But apparently it's super sweet and juicy. The smelly fruit.
Who is that? Dragon fruit? No.
Grape?
Jackfruit.
Yeah.
Jackfruit.
Carrot.
Carrot.
Alright guys, we've just picked up our vegetables and now we're being taken to, well, around the corner to go get the spices, because what's food without a bit of spice? Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
nice.
that's masala. And this. Can you?
Nice. Masala.
Yeah, Momo
Alright
masala.
guys, so we've just picked up our cheese, our spices and vegetables. It's now time to go put them all together and see if we can make a Nepalese dish out of them. Let's go. Alright guys, we're getting a rickshaw.
Sit there inside.
Yeah, jumping on the rickshaw guys. First rickshaw in Nepal. There we go. There we go, let's go. Our first rickshaw here in Nepal, Kathmandu. It's nice to get around in this because it's just more relaxing than walking around. Enjoying it?
Really nice.
Do you like rickshaws?
They're a bit sketchy, but and I feel for the guy who needs to carry all this weight.
He's working hard. Alright guys, we have just made it back to the kitchen. Okay, thank you. Cheers. Alright, we survived the rickshaw. Back to the kitchen to cook up our storm. So we finally got back to the cooking class and we're just looking through the ingredients that we bought, ready to start our first dish. Alright guys, so we've just finished up all the chopping up for the tomatoes and the greens, and now we are in the main kitchen.
You don't need to add water. So here is a 6 cup of milk. For the milk masala tea, we are using sugar, tea masala, and then tea leaves. This gives colors and flavor, okay? So now I will add the tea masala. For the 1 cup, we are using 1/4 spoon of tea masala like this, okay?
Watching her create the masala tea was just absolutely amazing, because I have a lot of different chais around the world, but the milk masala tea is definitely up there with one of my favorites. So the first dish on the menu was this masala style pizza, and we're all in the kitchen now just getting everything prepared and about to cook up a storm. I'm on my first dish and so far I think it's looking good. Well, she's helping me now with some cheese. How are you getting on, guys?
Yeah, not too bad.
Good.
Haven't set the kitchen on fire yet.
And again, the professional is doing just fine.
Yeah, good.
Okay, all of you guys, add the onions. Add the onions.
Things were heating up quickly, and before we knew it, our first dish was almost ready. Are you learning the cooking techniques?
Yes, I am.
Are you going to cook this for me at home?
Okay guys, do you know how to
I'm
dump the
sure I
pressure
will.
cookers?
Yum, yum.
Or you wait?
Yeah, so you can make it and I can film.
The whole idea of you coming here is that so you can learn to cook for me.
Yeah, but I'm learning by watching you.
Yes, here, and just keep it inside. And then come here. It's easy.
You make it look easy, but it's
Wait,
not.
it doesn't. Okay, now it's loud. Give the whistles. So we have to wait for 10 to 15 whistles, then done. Give right, take right hand, and this. Yeah.
Alright guys, we get to taste our first dish that we've cooked, which is the Nepalese pizza in their garden. Alright guys, that food was just so good. I literally forgot to record the whole thing. So sorry about that guys, but yeah, the pizza tasted super nice. So now we're just gonna go and cook the next dish, which is the Dal Bhat. The next dish that we're currently cooking is the famous Dal Bhat curry. Everywhere you go in Nepal, it's going to be one of the most well-known dishes, and also one of the most tastiest dishes that you will find everywhere you go in Nepal. Look at me guys, I'm a professional chef. The adventure's the professional.
Professional thing. So wait, okay.
Bay leaf guys. Okay guys, chicken's going in.
Okay, now you have to fry your chicken. Still the chicken needs to be still in yellow.
Gordon Ramsay, if you're watching, you'll be proud. Very nice.
How are you feeling, Jan?
Yeah, I feel like a professional already. Very oily though, so I think it's looking nice. It's going to taste good.
You look like
I look like a rainbow, right?
a lot of sweat. Are you sweating?
I'm actually very relaxed. I don't know that one. Caramelized onion and now guys. Nothing has been allowed to work on today.
Yeah,
Look at this stuff.
Smell the garlic coming off it now, the onions, the chicken smell. You don't realise it when you order it, when you go to you know, a curry house. But this is what goes in, right? We've not even started the curry yet, the paste. Spicy time!
Spicy time!
Spicy time!
And then 1 spoon of chili powder, little less. Okay, now 1 spoon of salt.
Look at that, look at the colour changing.
Can you? Resam Piriri.
Resam Ferrari.
Resam Piriri. Resam Piriri.
The curry is just going to rest for a little bit, for about 3 to 4 minutes. And now we're going to go inside and cook up, or shall I say create, the dessert, which is the chocolate momos. Alright guys, as we know, it doesn't matter how much you eat, there's always room for dessert. And wow, was this one of the best desserts I've tried in the whole of the world, and not just Nepal. I love momos in general, but chocolate momos, just watch until the end.
So actually it's made with the sal leaves. It's only found in Nepal and India, and it's called bota. Actually we are using this in our marriage ceremonies and sometimes in picnic. Just use for one time and just throw it.
Dessert, which is called the chocolate momos, and this is by far the favorite out of all 5. So good. Alright guys, we're just about to eat should I say my first Dal Bhat in Nepal. It's one of the most famous dishes and you'll find it everywhere. It's basically comes with some dal, some chicken curry as well, and some rice.
So you just and then you just take a little scoop up like this.
Wow guys, what can I say after sitting here with a gang, after cooking up a storm. And guys, honestly, I'm not much of a chef, but the food was amazing and these guys all made the whole experience even better. And the food was just 10 out of 10. Maybe because I cooked it, but who knows. This is where I'm going to end tonight's vlog. I hope you enjoyed all the cooking and all the help by our amazing staff here. And if you enjoyed the video guys, like and
subscribe.
cheers guys, see you on the next one. Peace out.